Hey guys!
What's happening, guys?
So today we're going to do a tour of the Frontier Town Campground.
Yeah. Where are we at?
Frontier Town. It's Berlin, Maryland, but it's like right around Ocean City and Assateague Island. So you're going to come in right here, and if you go straight down that road, you will get to registration where you will check in. But you can turn right off right here, and here's the arcade. So there's a little ice cream shop, and I think we're gonna come and get some later because the pictures looked really good. And then here is the mini golf, which the kids have played a lot and they say that it's really good.
Dang, the greens do look really nice.
You know what we should do? Turn around and go by the registration. See the bus stop? Normally, not during COVID times, they do a shuttle to Ocean City. But because of COVID, they don't do the shuttle anymore.
That's cool. Is all that part of it? It is, right?
Yes, that's the water park and everything. We can drive over there. So right here, there's a sign that tells you where you're gonna go. So campground is to the right. They have high ropes and zip lines, water park. The Wild West shows they are not doing right now because of COVID. Oh, the Lazy River Saloon is over here. Ooh. So there's the Lazy River Saloon. Oh, the laundromat. Laundry's down that way. There's restrooms. Look at all the water slides. That's one of those big tunnel ones that you like get stuck in and swirl around. I bet this place is fun in the summer. And I think that I read there was a lazy river over there. And that looks like a little kid's splashing area maybe.
Oh yeah.
I know there's a pool somewhere on the campground too. So here's your entrance to the water park, and there's a ton of parking. You probably don't even have to stay here to go here. You probably just come here and pay for the day. More water slides.
Those ones are open?
Yeah, the tops are open. And then this is just a dead end parking. So you can't get to the campground from this end. So I'm assuming that you can just come here for the day.
That's a large parking lot.
Yeah.
I think it's the high rope trail. See the bridges
Oh,
going across?
yeah. Are they not doing it right now? So High Ropes Adventure Park. I don't know if you can see it, but there's things inside the trees. Yeah. Like you can walk across from the trees. Ugh, I would not want to do that.
It seems fun.
Oh.
You're attached to the rope above you. So if you fall, you just hang.
I wonder if they're open right now.
I don't see a single person.
Well, I know that. I mean,
there's
like,
zip lines above.
They might not
right
open
here
themselves.
above.
Oh yeah.
There's zip lines. There's the base of
Oh, yep. That's fun.
I would live.
Would you?
Yeah. Look at that.
So here's part of
Here's a little one.
Oh, there's different levels. There's the yellow level start. Look at all the steps and stuff. Oh, look at the steps.
Oh, that's fun. Look, all this
But it was shaped.
right here.
Yep. The barrel fun.
Ladder.
That's fun. Here's some horsies. Oh,
What are you doing?
I forget that I'm not gonna drift. I didn't want to fly over it. I wasn't sure how far hard
Just
we fit.
go.
This is where you're gonna go in. This is the office. That's also where you're gonna go in to rent your golf carts. So off to your right is some camp sites, which we'll show you later because that's where ours is. So we'll show you those when we go down there. Over here, there's some miniature ponies. The girls were playing with them earlier. This is the golf cart place. So when you rent your golf cart, this is where you're gonna come and pick it up, and that's where you're gonna drop it off. This dog park looks really fun. Tunnels and stuff that they can run through. I want to bring the dogs down because they'll have a ball in there.
Oh, there's tents.
Over here is like a sidewalk thing for your bikes so you can ride your bikes on. So there's tent sites. These all might be tent sites.
Well, they have hookups.
Oh,
Of course,
they
the
do,
tent sites
yeah.
might have hookups as well.
Oh, I'm kind of chilly. There's a lot of campsites. I really like this campground. So here's some picnic tables. Oh, maybe these are tent sites.
These are
right
tent
on
sites.
the water. She told me try not to run into any mud.
Okay.
And they aren't allowed to go in the water.
Okay.
Are you sure we're allowed to drive through here?
Yeah, it's just like a golf course. So this is...
So you're not allowed to swim in this water? But I know there's some spots that you're allowed to swim in it. Very pretty.
This is how me and Mr. Nick look for our golf balls. This might be my favorite campground so far.
I agree. And during the summer, I bet it's even better because there's a waterfront.
Oh yeah.
It's huge.
Yeah, this is a big campground.
Mom, I think you just broke my neck.
So more sites. I mean, there's so many campsites. It's pretty awesome. Here's some cabins. And look at all this over here. This looks like more tent sites maybe.
Well, they have full hookups.
Oh,
So these
maybe
are just,
it's not tent
these are
sites
just back
then.
in. Man, that is beautiful going out that way.
Yeah, it is. And then we have cabins. There's a bathhouse up there. I'll drive up there. We'll backtrack a little bit so that I can show you. Cabins,
Look at
cabins,
these
cabins.
cabins. They're
They're
beautiful.
very pretty.
Oh wow,
What's
both
this?
sides.
We're going this way. What's down here? Maddie, how
Water.
far did you guys drive your bikes?
Not too far.
No. Look at the cranes. Do you see them? Holy crap, what's that thing? Oh, it's a goose.
Oh my god.
It's some kind of exotic bird. This is really cool though, like being out here on this water park.
Yeah.
Like, look how beautiful that is. Oh man, look at those
Dude,
campers.
I bet you we. Do you think we can ride all the way out
Yep,
there?
I think so.
Camera. I got licked by a dog.
Hello. I guess he was talking to me.
Wow,
Or
I
us.
wonder how many.
Look
Camp-
at these ones. I think I would
Oh,
rather
these are
be
full
down
patio.
here. Look at this little inlet for
Oh,
the boats.
Yep.
Oh my god, I would totally rather have one of these. Look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I couldn't imagine this being your
That'd be
campsite.
your campsite right there.
And we're still in Maryland. Like, this isn't anywhere that is like
Yeah.
exotic. This is amazingly beautiful. And then look, you can come down here and sit. I'm not sure what water this is, but sure is pretty. I like these sites. I'll tell you what, this was Z. Remember that, okay? Like that site right there was Z20. These are Z16.
Oh look, they're fishing right off, right there. They're fishing.
B17, we need to go right there.
No, that'll be hard to get to camper in. These are kind
Even
of
like,
short.
yeah, but even this is cool looking.
Yes, it is. Like, these are awesome.
Wow, look at all the sites. Holy moly.
No, there's a lot. Whoa.
So now we're in the U section.
I want to go up here real quick and then we'll finish looking at the sites.
Well,
I just-
yeah, these
oh,
are all
look.
they're all the same. That's why I said they must be permanent. You must be able to rent them.
Oh.
Oh yeah, look, they got permanent steps and stuff on them.
Oh, that's nice.
Nice.
That's cool.
Look, they're good sized campers. Cowgirls.
Oh, here's that shark, Maddie. Get you a picture. That's nice. What's that? Oh, it's another bathhouse,
Another
I guess.
bathhouse. Oh, look, there's a big like common area.
What does that say? Oh, just for that common area thingy. That might be where they put on some shows
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah, there's backdrops and everything over there. This is a big campground.
I want to get Maddie's picture with this big old shark. Watch out for the shark! I'm jumping in the water! So they actually use this when filming Jaws.
Oh, that's what they're.
That's what this
That's
thing
what the
says.
paper says anyway. 31.5 foot grape shark exhibit is an actual working prop used in the filming of Paramount Pictures' Jaws. So how much was the golf cart, Brown?
I don't know.
Well, just tell the camera.
I don't want to tell you.
Alright, I'm not listening.
It was a lot. The only reason we rented it, the day's already halfway over, but I knew we were going to do the tour, and this campground is huge, and we didn't bring our bikes. So I was like, yeah, we're going to have to walk it. So I went in and asked how much it was, and she told me, and I looked at Madison and said, that's a lot of money. And then I said, don't tell Daddy how much it was. And I rented it anyway. Look.
Well, how much is it?
There's tent sites over there. Look at that. You see? Look, tent sites.
Where?
Look, they have jet ski rentals. That's kind of fun. Ride out there on a jet ski? Heck yeah. So this is a boardwalk. No, it's not the boardwalk. Oh yeah, it is. There it is. So see the boardwalk? And you can fish off of it, which is cool. We don't have enough battery life in the GoPro to drive through every single aisle to show you all these campsites. All right, can I go? I'm gonna go, we'll go this way to see what's around this way first. But, I mean, look at all those campsites this way. This way.
A lot easier if you just say left or right.
Yeah. I'm gonna chase these guys down. Oh, look, there's the pool.
There's another pool.
So there's an L-shaped pool. Nick and I saw it on the map. I have yet to see a dumpster, and we have to take care of our own trash. So I have to get on the map and find a dumpster. So, oh, look, there's one.
That's funny.
Maybe they're around the bathhouses. There's more cabins over here.
Did you forget that there are speed bumps?
I didn't. Yeah, kind of.
There's one ahead of us.
So let's go this way and see what we see. Oh, there's the bus stop again.
Look, it's a train.
So here's your camp store.
Is it? Dude, we don't have a mask to go into the camp store with the camera.
There's the cantina. You can also order food from inside the camp store, and because they have a little spot. And the camp store, they sell a bunch of camping stuff, and they had a lot of cool like wine tumblers and stuff like that.
Dang, look how fancy. They got an actual TV out there.
Look at this cute little area right here. We got a picture of Maddie and Grace in the jail. But isn't that cute?
Oh, this is neat. I thought these were little stores or something, but that's just,
yeah.
That's awesome.
Just cute little pictures, I guess.
Very cool.
Yeah. So there's that trail that you can ride your bike on. I don't know where it goes. We didn't bring our bikes, so we can't ride it. But and then over here on the left this is where we started, right here. That was the first road we went down. So now we'll show you down the section where we are camping. Oh my God, Ren almost ran into this electric box on his bike. I know, babe, I know. And he goes, I almost pulled a Mr. Dave.
Yeah, it's not funny.
Okay, so that's where you come in, and if you make the first right, which we didn't do, because this is where we are. I'm pretty sure that this is where they do their activities on the left. Like this weekend is fairy tale weekend, so they were doing fairy tale crafts. And I'm pretty sure that this is where you go do all that stuff. In the HH section, which is the very back row, there's a couple little cabins back there. There's not a lot. But the rest of these are all campsites. And there's a lot. So for our section down here, there's another bathhouse. And then more campsites. Honey, look, they have all the llama chairs like you.
Llama friends.
This is the end right here, so he actually wraps back around. And right there's the golf course and the front entrance as well.
Yep. Oh, they took all the cones down. Look at that. If you would like to see what happened to this electrical box, you'll have to watch our regular video.
Very cool.
That's the tour of the Frontier Town
Yeah, out
Campground.
near Ocean City.
Yeah. All right. Bye.